Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your teacher Shamila with the topic of subtraction of fractions. Now there are two fractions right in front of you. The first one is 7 over 8 and the second one is 4 over 8. Now by looking at the denominators, you can clearly see that the fractions are like. While subtracting, we have to keep in our mind that the fractions should be in the form of like fractions. What does it mean? It means that denominators should be same as it is given in our example. So both the denominators are same, so that is why these fractions are like fractions, so we can perform subtraction easily. First of all, 7 over 8 minus 4 over 8, we are going to write the common denominator at 8 as it is. Okay, we are not going to do anything on it. Subtract the numerators only. 7 minus 4 will give you 3 and the denominator will come as it is, so the fraction will become 3 over 8. Moving towards our next example. Now here we have 6 over 7 minus 2 over 5. You can see that 7 and 5, the denominators, both the denominators are different, so the fractions are unlike fractions. Now what we are going to do, remember the way we solved questions in addition. Same procedure we will follow over here. 6 over 7, the first fraction will be multiplied with the denominator of second fraction, and the second fraction, that is 2 over 5, will be multiplied with the denominator of first fraction. Now when we will multiply 6 by 5, we will get 30, and in the denominator 7 5s are 35. Minus sign will come as it is. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 and 5 7s are 35. Now after getting the denominators, same denominators, we will write 35 as the common denominator, and we are going to subtract the numerators only, which is 30 and 14. So 30 minus 14 will give you 16. So we have solved our question. Now moving towards the home assignment. Two questions are in front of you. I want you people to write these questions in your practice notebooks. The first one is 2 over 20 minus 1 over 5, and the second one is 7 over 26 minus 5 over 13. Dear children, I want you people that when you work on your practice notebooks, write the questions according to the topics and the lecture numbers with the proper date. Still, if you feel any difficulty and you have any question, you can ask me at my email ID. Thank you.